Tim Collins, we're coming to them at Smith Lake Park for the annual Memorial Day Music Festival. It's the ice cream contest. These youngsters under 12, you've got to eat 6 cups of ice cream within 2 minutes of the first round. This is your favorite. I think he might actually be older than 12.
Chase, you're slow, man.
Go, John, go! You'll have to make up.
He's going for it, but he can't get it down real fast. And this young man, he's like on Dancing with the Stars. He has to stand up.
Go, girl! Take the lids off, son of a bitch. Come on, baby. She's on her bowl, baby. I'm fat, I'm sorry. Hurry up! 8, Chase, 8.
Got 1 minute left. That's all.
You're looking out there, Mark.
8, you're winning now, you're winning. She got whipped on her mind. Go, girl. You can ask her, Peanut. Come on, you got it. Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
Tony Harris.
You can do it. Eat it. Hey, Chase.
Come on! Now don't quit now!
Hey, Chase, 8. You got Sean Bass. You got 5 more cups.
30 seconds left.
Pray, freeze already. Freeze.
20 seconds.
8, baby, 8. Open the 6 to it.
This young lady right here is a machine. I think she's going to be a winner.
You're doing good.
Come on! Come on! Put it in there! Put it in there! Put it right back! Put it right! Yeah! Woo!
I'm sorry.
Tony Harris is now going to judge the winner.
Anybody else see that? All of them. I think we got a winner. She ate every one of them.
She ate them. Good job.
Everyone!
What's your name?
Caitlin.
Caitlin, you ate all 6 of them, no problem.
I'm sorry.
You kind of had to stuff that last one in to get it down. Do you know what you win?
No, I don't.
I don't either. Tell me.
What do we win, Tony?
For the next group,
Tony,
okay?
Park Director Tony Harris, what's his
She
name?
gets a free pool pass.
Free pool
And
pass.
You can pick it up there at the park and
I'm
rec.
never gonna go. I can't.
Let's brag your rights for a year. That's it from the Child's Division, Smith Lake Park Ice Cream Eating Contest.